Well, here we are again, doing stuff to the Bronco. Yeah. So these off-road lights that I got on here right now, these two are some night lights, and I believe these are night lights too. These 7-inch round lights, actually, they still work. They still work great. There's no water in them. I mean, they're a little sun faded, but they're like 4 years old. But I do want to upgrade them. I want to add 4 lights on the sides. The plan from the beginning was once I put this winch mount on here, was to go ahead and reinstall all my lights. The only thing I did was put the 7-inch round ones on there, because most of the time I use this truck at night, and well, the original lights just suck. Instead of reinstalling these, I went ahead and bought a bigger light bar. This is a 20-inch amber light bar by Nightlight, and it's going to go about right there. For the round lights, I'm going with these two 4.5-inch night lights. The reason I'm going back with night lights is because the old ones, they still work. I mean, build quality is fine, price is fine, so no real point in trying another brand, I guess. Plan is to install 2 on each side like that, right there, and then obviously take this 20-inch light bar, put it on top right there somewhere. I guess I just got to start taking stuff off and drilling holes. This wiring is from when I didn't reinstall my ambers, so they're on 2 different switches, because I had a little bit of foresight. If you can see right here, I've got 2 relays, one for the ambers and one for the other white lights. This fuse is my linkable fuse. Right here, these are where all my grounds connect. Drop all the hardware on the ground. Somewhere in that vicinity. We'll just go 7 inches up. How about that? Go in there. Perfect. Don't want the Bronco all messy. Now for the fun part, wiring in all this stuff. pleasure. Alright, let's test it out. Nice. All right. Drilled these out. Just cut these little tabs off. Drilled a few holes in them. Now what we need to do make sure the distance is right. 2 inches, 2.5, so 2.25. Pull this thing around to the back of the barn. Weld this up. My MIG welder's out of gas, so we'll use my dad's trusty old flux core. This thing's starting to come together. Got all 4 white lights on. Got the tabs for the amber. Just gotta bolt it in, wire it up. Well, paint should be mostly dry. So there's one last thing that I wanted to show you guys that I got for the Bronco, and that is this shackle hitch. There we go. All right, it's in there. This thing's gonna be a lot safer than pulling from the ball or trying to pull from this U-bolt slash safety chain spot. Thanks guys again for watching, liking, subscribing, commenting. There's a lot more stuff I want to do to the Bronco, but that's going to be for another day. For tonight, I am done. I'll give you a little sneak peek of some other stuff I got going on, but I'm not going to show too much on that. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good night. They're dueling.